Starting around 07 walk 2024 Avalanche especially is exchanging at $43.56 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 483% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Avax fundamentally has a complete market cap of $16.433.87 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $878.803.493 in an essentially significant manner. This sort of makes Avalanche Avax fundamentally positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market in a by and large enormous manner. On the off chance that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche for the most part be by and large worth in 2024, which sort of is very huge? Is Avalanche a wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Avax cost, all things considered, outperform its unequaled high, which truly is genuinely huge? These especially are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost basically is supposed to cross a normal value level of $58.01, the normal certainly least. Value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $56.28, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Avax can in a real sense arrive at a very greatest value level of $67.77 in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche value expectation walk 2024. Avalanche cost is supposed to essentially reach between $41.45 to $46.64 in walk 2024, while the in every practical sense, normal cost of Avax for the walk generally remains around $45.34 Avalanche value figure April 2024 the sort of normal cost of Avalanche. Avax could truly go to $46.25 toward the finish of April 2024, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax could generally be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $48.45 with the especially least expected cost of $44.52 in a genuinely large manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $45.91 and $50.76, or so they fundamentally thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $47.64, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avax value figure June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Avalanche essentially is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $46.86 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Avax cost could sort of arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $53.14 with the essentially normal cost around $48.59 in an unpretentious manner. Avax value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Avalanche in every practical sense is gauged to by and large be at around a truly least worth of $47.40 in an unpretentious manner. The Avalanche value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of $55.57 with the very normal exchanging worth of $49.56 in USD, or so they most certainly thought. Avax value estimate August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Avalanche by and large is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at an especially least value worth of $49.32, showing that Avax value gauge June 2024. With respect to June 2024, Avalanche for the most part is supposed to basically arrive at a kind of least value worth of $46.86 in a for the most part enormous manner. The Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $57.56, with the extremely normal cost around $51.05, so starting around 07 walk 2024 Avalanche in every practical sense is exchanging at $43.56 in term of its OST rate with a value change of 483% in most recent 1 hour in a genuinely significant manner. Avalanche. Avax value expectation September 2024. The cost for Avalanche in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $50.42 and $60.11, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $52.58 in a very enormous way. Avalanche value expectation October 2024. The cost of Avalanche for the most part is in every practical sense anticipated to reach at a by and large least worth of $52.95 in October 2024, certainly further appearance how Avalanche Avax value expectation September 2024. The cost for Avalanche in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $50.42 and $60.11, which basically is genuinely huge. The Avax cost could fundamentally arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $62.74 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $54.68 all through 2024. Avalanche value expectation November 2024. The cost of Avalanche generally will be by and large anticipated to in a real sense reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $55.14 in November 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Avax cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme worth of $64.92 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $56.87 all through 2024, which fundamentally is very critical. Avalanche Avax value expectation December 2024. The cost for Avalanche in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $56.28 and $67.77, so Avalanche value forecast November 2024. The cost of Avalanche sort of is generally anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at a kind of least worth of $55.14 in November 2024, or so they truly thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $58.01, which really is very huge, Avalanche exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost fundamentally has shown a by and large great increment of 454% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours. So on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche truly be somewhat worth in 2024, which generally is very huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Avax in every way that really matters was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 521% in a quite enormous manner. Avalanche generally has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to especially dive right in and contribute, which really is very critical. Avalanche value estimate 2024 facts. What will truly be Avalanche commonly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? The Avax cost essentially is gauged to especially arrive at a most extreme degree of $67.77 with genuinely least cost of $56.28 toward the finish of 2024, showing how Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $45.91 and $50.76. Torrential slides explicitly have a future in a very significant manner. As far as value, Avalanche in a real sense has an exceptional genuinely potential to truly arrive at new levels, which explicitly demonstrates the way that the Avax cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $64.92 with the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of $56.87 all through 2024 in a by and large significant manner. It sort of is gauged that Avax will increment in esteem. Fundamentally further appearance how Avax value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Avalanche generally is determined to be at around a very least worth of $47.40 in a really significant manner. As per pretty unambiguous